Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Kelly from Ready Set Drone. It's a dreary day here in Austin, and I've been watching some of the comments from you guys about my video about the noise level of the Mavic 2 Air Master Airscrew props, which I've got right here. And I had not seen any of this vibration issue that anybody was talking about, and I think part of the reason is because I've only flown it on like this artificial grass where it doesn't really vibrate, or on a takeoff pad sitting on grass. So, you know, I haven't been able to see anything like they did when like Russ from 51 Drones had his on a table. And so I've got it here on a metal table outdoors, and I'm gonna see if it vibrates like those others did, and then I'm gonna try the regular props too and see how those do. So let's check it out real quick. Okay, so here we go, spinning up the Master Airscrew props. And look at that. I'm not touching the yaw or the stick or anything. It is doing a full 180 with the Master Airscrew props on its own. Alright. Bring that to a stop. Alright, so that was definitely interesting as far as how that was vibrating on the table here. Now I'm going to switch out the props for the original DJI props and see if it does the same thing. Okay, for original DJI props on the drone, let's see what happens. Wow. Solid. Not moving at all. Okay, so that got me thinking. I have used the Master Airscrew props on my Mavic 2 Pro before. And by the way, it's raining outside, so that's why I'm under my porch. It's just kind of drizzling. And I have never noticed this problem before. And again, I usually take off from either my artificial grass back here or on a soft surface. Sometimes tables, but I don't remember seeing this. Anyway, I've got my Mavic 2 Pro here, and I'm gonna try the same thing with this, with the Master Airscrew props, and see if it happens on this one as well. Okay, first with the DJI stock propellers. And as you can see, it's idling in one place, not moving at all. This is the Mavic 2 Pro. One thing I've noted about Master Airscrew props compared to DJI props is, I've seen this on the Phantom too, they're actually slightly longer. The Master Airscrews are slightly longer than the DJI props. As you can see from here, right here, that's fully extended. And the tips of the orange one are sticking just slightly past the tips of the black one. And they actually cross each other up here, like, but because the front is higher, they don't actually hit, but they do go, like, they are just going past each other's plane there. So let's see if this shakes when it spins up. Mavic 2 Pro. Nope. Very solid. Okay, one more time with the Mavic Air 2 stock props. And again, holding solid, in place, not shaking at all. Once again, not touching anything on the sticks, just letting it idle. You can hear it just dancing around on the table, moving on its own. Now the question becomes, will that impact the look of the footage? So let's see if it stopped raining. It's still kind of spitting a little bit, but that's all right. We'll give this a try. Okay, Master Airscrew props. Okay, so this video is set to 4K 30. Just idling. Sensor, but how does that look? With the, do you see any shake in the footage? Spin it around and slide a little bit. I mean, just looking at the quad, it looks very steady in the air. It doesn't really appear to be shaking. Now, in fairness, the table over there is a pretty slick surface. I wonder if it'll shake here on this wooden table. Now here, it doesn't appear to shake at all. You can see it's setting in one place. Okay, so to wrap up with this, when I put it on the metal table, it vibrated and moved quite a bit on its own when it was idling. The Mavic 2 Pro, when I set it on the metal table with both Master Airscrew and original props, did not move at all. This Mavic Air 2 only vibrated when it was on the metal table, but when I took it over to the wooden table out there, it didn't move at all. So I just wanted to make this quick follow-up video because I put a video out this morning about how quiet these things are and had not seen all the conversation about how much vibration they caused when it was idling. I wanted to show you for yourself, so now you know, you've seen it. Love to hear your comments below. I do think that Master Airscrew generally makes a really great product, but I am kind of surprised that this one is bouncing around like it does when it's on a metal table. But, you know, draw your own conclusions and leave some comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Drone.